Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we dive deep into the mysteries of our universe. Ever wondered what it would be like to spend just 5 seconds on Uranus? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're going to explore this icy giant like never before. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a cosmic adventure that'll leave you breathless and full of awe. First things first, Uranus is not your typical planet. Unlike Earth, which has a solid surface, Uranus is a gas giant. It's a gas giant, which means there's no solid surface to stand on. Imagine trying to land on a cloud, that's what it would be like. Instead, you'd find yourself floating in a swirling mix of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Sounds dreamy, right? Hold that thought because it's not as serene as it sounds. Now let's talk about the weather. If you think Earth has extreme weather, wait until you hear about Uranus. Uranus is infamous for its extreme conditions. The planet experiences some of the most violent weather in our solar system. Temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling minus 224 degrees Celsius. That's so cold that it makes Antarctica look like a tropical paradise. That's colder than any place on Earth by a long shot. Imagine the coldest winter day you've ever experienced, and multiply that by 1,000. If you somehow found yourself on Uranus, you'd freeze almost instantly. But wait, there's more. The cold is just one of the many challenges you'd face. Uranus has some of the most violent winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 560 miles per hour. That's faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. Imagine being caught in a hurricane that never ends. Pretty terrifying, huh? These winds would toss you around like a rag doll. And let's not forget about the planet's unique tilt. Uranus is tilted at an angle of 98 degrees, which is unlike any other planet in our solar system. Uranus rotates on its side, making its spin axis nearly parallel to its orbit. This unusual tilt gives rise to some very strange seasonal patterns. This bizarre tilt causes extreme seasonal changes, with each pole getting 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. It's a cosmic roller coaster. Now picture this. You're floating in the icy, turbulent atmosphere of Uranus. The winds are howling and the temperature is dropping rapidly. Your spacesuit's thermal controls are working overtime to keep you from turning into a human popsicle. The suit is your only shield against the planet's harsh environment. You glance at your watch. 5 seconds have passed. It feels like an eternity, but it's time to head back. It's time to head back to the safety of your spaceship. The journey back feels like a race against time. As you rocket away from Uranus, you can't help but marvel at its pale blue beauty. The planet's serene appearance is a stark contrast to its violent nature. It's a humbling reminder of the vastness and variety of our solar system. Each planet has its own unique characteristics and challenges. So what did we learn today? Surviving on Uranus, even for just 5 seconds, would be an extreme challenge. The planet's harsh conditions make it one of the most inhospitable places in our solar system. But it's these mind-bending scenarios that fuel our curiosity and drive us to explore the unknown. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. Who knows what other cosmic adventures await us? The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Thanks for joining me on this interstellar journey. Your curiosity and passion for science make these adventures possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more out-of-this-world content. Your support helps us bring you more exciting explorations. Until next time, stay curious, my friends. The universe is full of wonders, and together we'll uncover them one by one. Keep looking up and never stop exploring. Let's dive deeper into the mysteries of Uranus. Did you know that Uranus has rings? Yes, just like Saturn, Uranus has a set of faint rings that are made up of dark particles. These rings were discovered in 1977 and are thought to be relatively young compared to the planet itself. The rings are named after characters from William Shakespeare's plays, such as Miranda, Ariel, and Umbriel. Imagine floating through these rings, surrounded by tiny particles of ice and rock. It's a mesmerizing sight, but also a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. While Saturn's rings are bright and easily visible, the rings of Uranus are much darker and more elusive. They are composed mainly of large particles ranging from micrometers to meters in size. These particles are believed to be remnants of shattered moons or comets that ventured too close to Uranus and were torn apart by its immense gravitational forces. As you drift through these rings, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder. Each particle tells a story of cosmic collisions and the relentless forces shaping our universe. The rings are not just beautiful, they are a testament to the violent and chaotic processes that govern planetary systems. In the vastness of space, these rings may seem insignificant, but they hold clues to the history and evolution of Uranus. By studying them, scientists hope to unravel the mysteries of how our solar system formed and evolved over billions of years. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that even the faintest rings around distant planets like Uranus are part of a grand cosmic tapestry. They remind us that the universe is full of wonders, waiting to be explored and understood. Thanks for joining me on this interstellar journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, stay curious, my friends. Now, let's talk about the moons of Uranus. Uranus has 27 known moons, each with its own unique characteristics. The largest moons are Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. These moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Titania, the largest moon, has a diameter of about 1,578 kilometers. It's a cold and icy world, with a surface covered in craters and canyons. Imagine standing on Titania, looking up at the distant sun and the pale blue disk of Uranus in the sky. It's a surreal and otherworldly experience. Each of these moons offers a unique glimpse into the history and dynamics of our solar system. Oberon, the second largest moon, is a dark and mysterious world with half of its surface permanently shrouded in shadow. Umbriel, another large moon, is even darker, with a surface covered in ancient impact craters. Ariel, on the other hand, is the brightest of the moons, with a relatively young and geologically active surface. It boasts deep canyons and bright ridges, suggesting that it has experienced significant tectonic activity over time. Miranda, the smallest of the 5 major moons, is perhaps the most fascinating. Its surface is a chaotic mix of ridges, valleys, and cliffs that defy conventional geological explanation. Exploring these moons would be like stepping into a science fiction novel. Each one tells a different story of formation and evolution, shaped by the forces of gravity, impact, and time. Studying them can provide invaluable insights into the processes that govern not just Uranus, but all celestial bodies in our solar system. So, next time when you think of Uranus, remember that it's not just a distant ice giant. It's a world surrounded by rings and moons that hold the keys to many cosmic mysteries. Thanks for joining me on this interstellar journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, stay curious, my friends. Uranus also has a magnetic field, but it's quite different from Earth's. The magnetic field of Uranus is tilted at an angle of 59 degrees from its rotational axis and is offset from the planet's center. This creates a complex and dynamic magnetosphere that interacts with the solar wind in unique ways. The magnetic field traps charged particles, creating radiation belts around the planet. If you were to travel through these radiation belts, you would be exposed to high levels of radiation, which could be harmful without proper protection. It's another challenge that makes exploring Uranus a daunting task. Yet, it's these very challenges that make Uranus an intriguing subject of study, offering scientists a unique perspective on magnetic fields and their effects in our solar system. Thank you for joining me on this interstellar journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, stay curious, my friends. Finally, let's consider the possibility of life on Uranus. While the extreme conditions on the planet make it unlikely for life as we know it to exist, scientists are always open to new possibilities. The discovery of extremophiles on Earth, organisms that can survive in the most inhospitable environments, has expanded our understanding of where life might be found. Could there be extremophiles on Uranus, living in the deep layers of its atmosphere, or in the subsurface oceans of its moons? It's a tantalizing question that drives scientists to continue exploring and studying this enigmatic planet. Such discoveries could not only reshape our understanding of life in the universe, but also inspire future generations of explorers and dreamers. The mysteries of Uranus beckon us to keep looking to the stars, ever curious and ever hopeful.